Namaste guys, I'm Shweta and you're watching the Banjaaran Project. So guys, I've been waiting so long to make this video. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting. And what I want to tell you guys is that GlamEgo has been so kind enough to send us its subscription box. So GlamEgo sent us their February subscription box. GlamEgo is India's #1 subscription box. And what it lets you do is that it lets you subscribe to its boxes, and you're gonna have 4 luxury products in the box itself. So you can test the products out first, and then you can actually go ahead and buy it later on. So this is what GlamEgo does. So every month they have their new boxes. They have new products in them just for you, customized for you. They were kind enough to send Banjaaran Project our own February edition GlamEgo box. I'm going to be telling you what all products are there in store for us. So let's get right into it. Wow, I just shot most of the video and then I just see that it's not even recording. So as soon as you open the box, there is the little card which says India's #1 beauty box, and on the back side it has classy flaunt, and it has basically 4 products, so it has it all in steps. So the first step is the Mcaffeine Choco face pack, which is for rupees 359. It's an exclusive product, so that means that it probably comes only for the February edition, but definitely you can buy this if you like it. So this is what the Choco Caffeine Glow face pack, and it has argan oil and vitamin E. This is clay based for oily skin. They have a little card here which talks about this product. So it's basically India's first caffeinated personal care brand, and it has pure cocoa, which I am not joking. When I actually got the box, I opened this up and I smelled it, and it smells like cocoa. Like cocoa powder. I'm not joking. So the 2 types of the Choco Caffeine Glow pack. So one is for dry skin, one is for oily skin. I have the oily skin one, which is clay based, and we have another one which is packed with seaweed, and it's for dry skin. So the next product on our list is step number 2. It's Kronokare Pollution Stop Face. It's for rupees 495. It's again an exclusive, which probably means that it only comes for this month. This is the bottle. This is the Kronokare Pollution Stop Face. It's a protective screen against pollution for face. So you can use this if you have oily skin or if you have dry skin. It's for all skin types. Even if you have a combination skin or if you have a normal skin, you can use this product. It's for all types of skins, and it is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. And I don't really have the best type of skin, and that's why it's really important to know what all ingredients are in your products. So now going on to the third product that's in our subscription box, we have the Nature's For Radiance face cream, which is for rupees 550. So this is the saffron radiance face cream. It's really cute. It's a really small pack. It's made in India. It's natural. So that's the saffron radiance face cream. I will definitely be using it because the only reason why it can fit in your pocket, it can fit in your bag. And now the last, and I'm gonna say a cliche line but not the least, it's the makeup of your choice from wide range. So they have this last thing in where you can actually choose the makeup of your choice. So the first 3 things are the things which they give you in the box itself, because it's exclusive and it's exclusive for the month. So you can choose any makeup of your choice. So they have like a range of things which you can choose from, and I chose this. It is the Bella Voste. I don't know if it's called a Voste. So this is how it looks like. It's like this. It's really nice. It's long lasting, great, because half of the times I eat my own lipstick and then I'm there without lipstick and I apply my lipstick again and again and again. So this is great. So if I don't want to wear lipstick, I can just wear this gloss, which is great. So that was the February edition of GlamEgo subscription box. If you guys like any of the products in the February subscription box, then you can go to the link down below. I'll put in the description about glamego.com and all the products that you can get, and all the products that were in the February edition. And you can actually get 2,500 rupees worth products for just $2.99. But this is the best way to buy products, because first you're actually testing the products. I'm going to leave all the details about GlamEgo and all the details about the products in the February edition in the description down below. So that's all for today, folks. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the button down below. If you're new here, then I think you should definitely do the last thing that I said, is subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on our post notifications, which will be down below. And yeah, that is it. So bye.